use one of these Morada gel. Let you know I'm skipping the base coat because this is just for the video. Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. So welcome to another day in the life of a nail artist. So today I am supposed to record a video for Born Pretty. So they have sent me some products that I must review or create a video, so I'm planning to shoot some shorts for them, and maybe I'll also do a nail tutorial. So these are the 5 products that they have sent to me, and I'm supposed to unbox them, show you. So let's stick together and see what I've got. I've got basically some gel brushes like these 3, and these are like 2 of them are magnetic, and this one is more of a jelly base. Then I've got non-stick hand extension gel, and this is a clear one, and I remember I ordered a similar one from Temu, but that was also from the Born Pretty brand. So it's basically you can get some stuff from Temu as well. So if you're living somewhere where you can't find or where they don't ship, or usually they do ship everywhere. So this is how it looks like, and it's basically a solid gel. It is non-sticky type, and this is how it looks like. Honestly want to use this for creating like the 3D nail arts that I've been seeing online, and this one is particularly in shade NSG01, so that means it's going to be clear one. This milky gel, and it's a really good reddish color, and honestly I needed this one especially because I want to create those cat eye gel effects. So basically you do the cat eye underneath, and then you go over with a jelly base. So I got this. Then I've got 2 of these cat eyes, these 2 cat eyes, which are, this one is Mambo eyes, so it's kind of bluish shade, and I want to recreate that summery nail set where you can see like waves effect, and then I think this one will be like the best will be the best shade, or the closest shade that I've seen on TikTok. So you can see it's like pretty strong magnetic gel, and I'm loving it. I would recommend to use with a darker base, so if you want to like really see this color, but even if you do without a base, you should still be able to get some good effects. And the next one is this one, and its name is First Love, and it should be like a grayish or a whitish type of cat eye, because most of the cat eye that I want to do require the ones that are without a color, so I would have to get something like this, and I think it's perfect for like those heart-shaped nail arts and something. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, it's perfect. So let me show you how it works with the magnet. It's also pretty strong like the other one, so you guys can see it. Then the last one is a metal painting gel, and I have something in my mind that I want to recreate, so I needed this gel. So they have sent me over this one too, and I hope I will be able to like recreate what I really wanted to create. So this is another one. Just gonna open like a little bit so you guys can have a look. Ooh, that's a really strong magnetic gel. You guys can see how metallic is it. It's basically blending in with the cover. So just, it's beautiful. So I just finished shooting a shot for these ones, and I have to put back my setup. I got these 2 flowers from Temu as well. So the next thing I have to do today is to create some more nail sets, and I will be drawing them on that notebook. So let me just take it out and let's brainstorm together. I usually do brainstorm my nail designs that I want to create before actually doing them. So this is like where I brainstorm my design, so you can see everything that I do. I write about what the design should look like, and those that I've done, I just put a tick on them. So I just bought like this art book from the works, and I just do the designs. And then let's brainstorm for today. I got these three ready to be colored, so this is how the page comes, and I just do design these type of nails, and you can see that they are hand drawn because they do not look good at all. So this is what they usually look like, and I usually draw stuff what I want to do in these nails. So this is the thumb and this one is the pinky. So what I was planning to do today, I want to recreate that seashell type of design. So I want to have that with a white base and then those kind of lines which can be in a blue color. And for that I'm planning to actually use one of these Morada gel palettes, and if I can open it, yeah, this one. So I'm planning to use like this dark bluish color, and I hope with the white one it will look slightly better. So I'm planning to use this one, and then I want to have kind of effect here where this will be like the sand, this will be the white shade, and then this will be the water effect. So just write down what I want to do, but most of the times you see that I do change the design in between while I'm doing the nail set, just in case I feel like this might not be the best one, and then I just brainstorm them. So I want to have this 3D shape which I will then paint with silver metallic gel, a blue shade. So I did buy like this for my, I did buy this one to create the aurora effect because I do not have the airbrush. So this is the palette that I usually use, and if I need to match that tone I will probably mix this one shade and this shade together to create that effect. So we would see what it will look like. And then I do have that blue magnetic one. What I'm planning to do is to create like a magnetic ombre. So this is going to be mag ombre, and same is for this one, but so that's how I want to keep them. And then here there will be like the seashell charms that I did show you in my previous video. So this is one of the design that I want to recreate. Then I also need to create something for my shop. And so now I have kind of prepped this, and I will start choosing the shades that I do want to use. I definitely want to use the Born Pretty shade that I just got. So this one, which is Memo Eyes shade. Then I also want to use the white gel, so I will probably go for the Born Pretty white gel, and this one is CG002. And I mostly would need my magnetic sticks, so I do not know which one I will be using, so I've got like plenty of them. So I will just decide later in the stage whether I want to use these cylindric ones or oh my god, or I want to use this, which is more of a rectangle one. They are both strong. I both got them from Temu, so you can get good magnets from Temu as well. Then what I got left is my top coat, as this set is just for myself and for the video, and I will not be wearing it in future. I will be using the Cody's gel, which I reviewed in my previous video, and I will be using the top coat. I actually liked it. It looks good in the videos, so I will be using this top coat, and then obviously this painting gel along the non-stick gel. So now that I have got everything, just let you know I'm skipping the base coat because this is just for the video. But if you're doing on your real clients and anything else, you must go for a base coat. And I'm not buffing them as well because obviously I will not be wearing, so I do not need to have them like that long lasting look. I do not need that. So I will be just doing my nails, and I will see you in between. And this is most probably will be a tutorial that I will record, so you guys can catch it out, and we'll obviously show you in between takes. So this is the final look of the nail set that I just completed, and it's slightly different than what I planned for. But as I told you earlier, I usually plan for something and then end up changing it according to what I feel right. So brainstorming does help, but still you have to make those changes. So I decided, so you can see these two are the same, these two, this one and this one are the same, and then this one is slightly different. And yeah, let me know how is it, and the tutorial will be released pretty soon. You guys will be able to have access to it. This one also has got a little bit of cat eye. Still need to like click pictures for this one so that I can post online. Need to do TikToks, shorts, reels, everything. And my last plan for today would be to take the pictures, obviously, and then to change the location of my setup because it's not working anymore. So I'm gonna change a little bit of the location, and I will see you guys soon in the next vlog. Bye, and have a lovely day.